Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to press Chemica printed vinyl. I have the mermaid scales pattern, and we are going to be pressing this using our heat press. I'm over here at my heat press. I am using the Stahl's Max Press. This is the 15 by 15 version, and I have my J America glitter t-shirt already set up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my press down and do a pre-press. So my press is set to 315 degrees. This pre-press is going to come down. It's going to get the moisture and wrinkles out of my shirt so I can get good application of my vinyl. But it also lets me see as I press down if I have good pressure on my shirt. So there are three things that we need for our vinyl to adhere properly. We need temperature, pressure, and dwell time, or amount of time heat is on our vinyl. So when we use the pre-press to check to see if our pressure is good, basically I kind of use my rule of thumb. It needs to resist me as the press goes down, then that's good pressure. So here's my Chemica Pattern vinyl. This is the mermaid scales. I do have a link in the description of me cutting it. So we're going to lay that on my shirt. And we're going to cover this and press it at 315 degrees for 15 seconds. Now, when I'm done, this is a cold peel, so I'm actually going to set this to the side and let it cool before I peel off my carrier. Alright, so my press is done. Let's take off our cover sheet. And so we're not going to peel off this carrier yet. If we do, we're going to peel off the color. It's going to be really bad. So we're going to move this over to my table, let it cool, and then we will peel off our carrier. So my Chemica printed mermaid pattern is all cool. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to grab my carrier, and I'm basically going to roll it off. Now you may have some resistance when you're doing this. The carrier has like a pretty good, I don't know, stick to the vinyl, but it'll tug a little bit, but you'll be totally fine. So I'm just going to gently roll it off. I don't want to lift up like this because I don't want to stretch the vinyl either, but you roll it off and it'll come off pretty easily. So that is my Chemica fashion printed vinyl. This is using the mermaid pattern, which I think is really nice. So we have this all set over here. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any more videos. And comment below. Let us know what you think and what other videos you'd like to see us do.